a new truck?
A new one?
A new one.
Okay, got that for me.
Okay, thank you. Show the hole. Turn the hole. Not with the hole, the red hole on the bottom. So you almost feel like you don't have a home. I'm gonna get yelled at. Where's my mic at? Okay, where do you want me? More that way? Or just right here where you're moving? Alright. Alright. They're much nicer here though. If it was like Skyline, they're rude in Skyline. I mean, questioning life. What up? What's that? I don't know. Dirt, concrete. When they question, where the fuck did I pick this one up at? Oh shit! Damn it! Your driver's like, who's that? I don't remember that guy. I don't like that guy.
And it's Daniel.
See ya, thank you. Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. It's another gloomy day over here in Dallas or DFW in Texas. Rainy, cloudy. It feels like back home in Wisconsin, but I'm sure a little later on the sun will come out hopefully and we'll have a nicer day. But it is t-shirt weather. I mean, it's still only, what are we at? 62 degrees. So we've got a 40 on board. We just dumped it. We're taking it over to Cedar Hill to a customer over there. And then not sure what's on the schedule for later, but I know I've got to stop at the Waxahachie house. I need to drop off some blinds. We are 98% done with that house. However, you know, what can go wrong will go wrong. Found out in the last rain that we had that now the roof is also leaking, which we were told by 2 different roofers that the roof will be good for about another 5 years or so. So it doesn't seem like that's the case. We did patch it up a little bit. We'll see if that holds. It's supposed to rain this weekend again. Hopefully we don't have to put a whole new roof on the house too. We did the foundation, every single piece of plumbing, all the electrical. It's basically an entire gut and remodel. And it wasn't intended to be. It was supposed to be just light cosmetic work, and it wasn't that. So anyways, and if time permits, and if they decide to change the invoice a little bit, we will go and pick up the International. We did go there yesterday. We did speak to them very nicely about how I did not agree with their invoice, and they were going to fix their invoice. We shall see if they decide to fix their invoice a little bit. So anyways, let's get to work. How you doing?
I'm great. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
I will be right here. They fixing to move this one, you know.
And you want me to come on this?
Yeah.
Hey, this is really soft.
Everybody's coming here. No, you don't have any problem. It's solid.
Trailer's got a lock on it. I don't know who I'm waiting for. I think they're waiting for the guy to come pull the trailer. And I think now they're wondering where to put it. I don't know what we're doing here.
Right here. It's right there. And because they have the lock.
Yeah, 2 guys out there with shovels filling up, patching up the driveway. Oh, I'm gonna hit his trees. This guy. I'm not going on the edge because I'm not about to trust how solid it is.
We decided to use this company for Angel Custom Homes. They do fantastic work. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Probably about 14 months.
Okay, so it's been a while.
Yes.
Wow.
I've been doing this since 1982.
Right, nice. That's beautiful home.
Yeah, that's the whole gym is for the whole basement is for gym.
Oh,
Angel Custom Homes. Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Thank you. No, I was stuck a minute ago. I mean, I was a little stuck, but I got it out. Got earlier and it's like, all right, so we're on the way. We just finally dropped off that 40. Those guys had me there for 45 minutes waiting. So for those of you guys that are wondering what I do for something like that, we did charge a wait time. I only charged 50 bucks. I think that was fair. I don't know. For operator and truck, 50 bucks is pretty cheap. And camera guy, which it's not their fault to pay that, but so anyways, we're on the way to pick up a 30 over here in Arlington, a few minutes away. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? I'm here to interrupt your regularly scheduled program to let you know that there is a new software out for all of us dumpster guys. $99 a month, no contract, no setup fee, 2 months for free. Online broker portals to your customer portal that I haven't had before, where a customer can literally go in there, see all their invoices, can schedule for pickups, can schedule swaps, can do all kinds of stuff. So you're going to definitely want to be a part of this. Enter in on the ground floor, check it out, grow with us, test it out. And there is a private beta Facebook page that we have created for all the members or all the beta testers to go in there and tell us your features that you may have, any feature requests. As of right now, it is strictly open top, dumpsters only, not really for the weekly reoccurring trash pickups, but hopefully we will get there. Check that out. The link is down below, completely free right now, so you definitely want to do it. Ooh, I know you got that on camera because that's pretty impressive. I know none of you cable guys could have done that. Now you probably could have taken a chain and pulled it, but that's no fun, and that's not impressive. On the money, baby, on the money. Not too shabby. Yeah, I'll say it on camera this time. I don't think Daniel would have been able to do that. I don't think Daniel's got them skills like I do. Just saying. We out. Okay. Okay. Sounds good, thank you. A little bit over would have been nice. Let's take up the whole road. There's not very many small ones left though. But I also know I'm like using some. You're charging just a little bit above what the landfill is charging, not much. No, that's overage. Right.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Sorry, just go to the gear icons, right? And damn, you f***ed up my mirror, bro.
It was Alpha.
Yeah.
There's no way avoiding Alpha. What's up? It's me, DV. Y'all started the day off with Josh. Y'all are gonna end it with me. I only have one delivery way up here in Rowlett that we're almost at, but y'all be with me the rest of the day. So let's do this delivery and have a little fun in the short time you're with me. Across the field with the 8 light post. In the parking lot, in the parking spot parallel across the street, he said. What's up, y'all? What's up? A little bit back. Furthest west by the other intersection. That's as furthest west as we can go with this truck in front of me. Take a picture so we can complete this task in that new app called ICans. If you don't have it, you should try it out. Not too shabby. And we're off. Kinda tight. And let's roll.
That day, for no particular reason, I decided to go for a little run. So I ran to the end of the road.
Hey everybody, thank you for tagging along today with Josh and then me at the end of the day. We're about 10 minutes away from the office, so the day's almost done. You know, when you work from sun up to sundown, that's called grinding. What we do out here at American AF. But on that note, I hope you have a good weekend. By the time this video drops, hopefully the Chiefs are 3-time Super Bowl champions. Do not like the Eagles, so go Chiefs. But enjoy y'all's weekend. Hope y'all have a great start to y'all's next week. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time.